First, download Hungry Shark Evolution in Play Store. In my situation, I have installed Hungry Shark Evolution. Next, download the app Lucky Patcher for 5.44 MB and works on Android phones. And when you installed it, go to Lucky Patcher and click Hungry Shark. Open menu of patches, create modified APK file, and click APK rebuild for in-app and level emulation. And then it will show rebuild, and go to storage Lucky Patcher modified and click Hungry Shark. First, it will show F-Gold Hungry Shark, and click it and click uninstall and install. After that, go out to the storage and go back again, and it will appear on your screen Hungry Shark v.3.8.0.b.139 crack support APK, and click it, click uninstall and install. And next, go to Hungry Shark Evolution. Go to Evolve and click the money and click buy and click yes, and look at my money, it increased. My situation, I buy all the sharks and also the special sharks like Robo Shark, Ice Shark, and Electro Shark. And that's all. Thank you for watching.